Home repairs can be expensive and it can drain out your wallet if not planned properly. But you can maintain and repair your home without overspending. Just follow these 5 tips. Firstly, DIY. Try to do minor repairs by your own self or with the help of guides available on the internet. This will help you to save on the labor cost. Secondly, compare. Get different financial quotes from different contractors for your home repair and select the best one that fits into your budget. Thirdly, prioritize. Tackle the urgent repair first and postpone the non-essential ones. Fourthly, consider finance. If you can't pay upfront, consider the finance options. This will help you to pay a lot less amount of interest to the banks than you will pay to your contractor. Lastly, and the fifth one, keep maintaining. Regular maintaining your home and keeping up the repairs will help you to prevent the costly repairs in the future times. And don't forget, follow Penny Calling Penny for more personal finance advices.